How to change billing address on Shopify. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your billing address on Shopify.com. So first, just make sure you have successfully logged into your account on your Shopify account, and you can go to any of a browser. And once you're inside here, just tap on this home button and get started with your payment option. So if this is your first time activating your payment, here you should be heading over to this payment section over here, where you'll be getting this screen. Now simply tap on this general button over here, and you should finally see the billing address. So currently it's on Nepal, so you can just tap on this edit button over here to edit your billing information accordingly. So based on your business name, your country, region, or address, I'll simply fill it out for an example. You can basically enter all of your details just like this and just click on save, and just like that you should be successfully able to change your billing address on your Shopify account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.